Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about rheumatoid arthritis and diet tips. I'm going to do a few videos on it to break it down for you. But even though there is not a specific diet for rheumatoid arthritis or RA, there are some recommendations that you can do to hopefully help with your RA symptoms. So all of this is coming from arthritis.org. I'll put that link in my description below. But again, diet things that you can do are improve your intakes of omega-3 fatty acids as well as antioxidants. So in this video, I'm going to talk about fish, fruits and vegetables, and nuts and seeds, the best types, how much to eat, and things like that. And of course, why you should eat them. So first things first, we're going to talk about fish. So fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, mackerel, as well as sardines and anchovies are fantastic for you. Arthritis.org recommends that you eat 3 to 4 ounces 2 times a week. And that is because rich and high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, which are 2 inflammatory proteins in our body. So simply by eating more fish in your diet, rich with those omega-3s, can hopefully help reduce those RA symptoms. So another thing is fruits and vegetables. Why? So many antioxidants that it is helpful with increasing your immune system, which is your natural defense towards anything pro-inflammatory. So foods such as kind of like the dark leafy greens, broccoli, kale, spinach, as well as cherries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Great sources of antioxidants. So what these antioxidants do in your body is they go around and they try to pick off these free radicals that can cause inflammation. So that is why you want to increase your fruit and vegetable intake. And it's recommended to have 1.5 to 2 cups of fruit per meal and then 2 to 3 cups of vegetables per meal. That's a lot because they are looking for you to get lots of antioxidants through fruits and vegetables. And they're very good for you, full of so many vitamins and minerals and fiber and pro-health for so many other things and disease prevention as well. And the last thing I wanted to talk about in this video is nuts and seeds, rich in monounsaturated fats, heart healthy, but again, anti-inflammatory. So the best sources are pistachios, walnuts, and almonds, and pine nuts. And arthritis.org is recommending that you eat 1.5 ounces per day. So natural source of fiber, heart healthy fats again, there's some protein as well, and a slew of different vitamins and minerals that they have that are just overall good for you. So if you have RA, you don't have to tell me, but if these foods are a rich part of your diet and you have, seen success, that is awesome. I want to encourage you to definitely comment below different topics you want to learn about, want to hear about. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and like my videos. Let me know, again, what you want to see. Quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.